Hey guys, welcome back. If you want to see how I achieved this look, keep on watching.
Guys, I am here and I decided to record like halfway through. I'm so horrible at this. It's like I got up this morning, I washed, I did my clay mask, I did condition, and I put my hair in cornrows going back. And then I was like, oh, I did some mini passion twist. I should do something with it. And then I was like, I'm feeling for a little fro action. So that's how this came about. Basically, we're gonna finish this look together, and yeah, let's hop right into it using my mini passion twist. If you guys want to know how I create my passion twist, I'll leave a link down below. The same thing applies to these minis, just you cut the hair a lot more shorter. So what I'm going to do is, I have two mirrors. I have one on this side and I have one in front of me. So you'll see me looking forward, but not into the camera, but into my mirror a lot, because this is that time. So back into the hair. What I do to get the fluff that I'm looking for and the fullness, and this way I can have nothing on my head. Just saying, it's like, it's, I don't know if you guys could see this, but oh. So let's stop bragging. I'm going to take the hair and separate it into about 3 pieces for the front and 2 for the back.
Okay, so here I am with latch hook in hand, sliding that under my braid, pulling it through to the other side, latching the rest of the braid in here and pulling it through onto itself, so that connects the braiding here to my head. So right here I'm going to show you guys that I'm placing the hair a finger width apart and inserting my second piece of braiding here to my head, and I continue that right down the length of that cane room and right down the back half of my head. That's what I do basically. So I do a finger width apart to the 2 corners to the side and to the back half of my head, coming up to the top of my head, and then I'm gonna go in with the smaller pieces to the front. So guys, here I am to the front of my hair, and I'm just saying this took no time. I maybe took half an hour to 45 minutes to insert all of this in my hair, and this was a 1-pack, and you won't believe it was only $5. So I'm going to show you guys how I get it on this side, and then with this skin I'll come back with this last corner and show you guys how I get it to fall on the side. So let's get into this quickly as possible. I'm looking down into the mirror, hence the reason why I'm slouching like that. I'm sorry, but we're going to go in like this, and we're gonna hook one. The smaller you do it, the neater it comes out and the more realistic it appears.
row. Woo! Last row.
So guys, this is me showing you how I do the invisible method. I push the latch hook under the braid as usual, pull the hair through, everything there is normal. But when you're going to put the hair through to hook onto itself, you're only taking one of the two pieces and you pull that through, and yeah, it's that simple guys. And I'm so happy. As I said, this look did not take much time for me to insert, and I was so happy with the end result. So here I am, just cutting and shaping and all of that. And the nice thing about this here is only $5. It's the realistic soft jumbo hair, and that one pack I cut it into 3 and I made my DIY passion twist. And yeah, if you made it this far in this video and you haven't subscribed yet, just click the subscribe button and click the notification bell and become a part of the gang. So I'm just gonna leave by saying I love you and thank you so much. And from my house to yours, love, hugs, and kisses. Bye. Mwah.